this time we're at the chiropractor, but I have the GoPro 8 and I'm gonna get Brittany to film it for us, so it's gonna look a lot better. You're gonna see it from better angles and all that. And yeah, my shoulder's hurting a little bit, so we definitely gotta get this done. Yeah, all my tension is literally like, this one feels a lot more like it's just popping out and
okay.
And then I don't know, it's just
okay. So why don't I take care of the spine first,
yeah,
and then we'll check the shoulder with you seated when we're done. How's everything else doing?
Oh, pretty good.
Good. All right. You can put your hands up here. There you go. So you're pulling really short on the right side. You just been working and working out?
Oh yeah, that's it.
That's life.
So what is that from, that you're saying?
The leg pulling short?
Yeah.
So you have a lot of rotation in your pelvis, and when this part moves back, it pulls the leg up, giving this leg the appearance of being shorter than the other. But after I adjust you,
I'm about 5'8" or something.
after I adjust you, both legs will be balanced. So now it's completely balanced.
Brittany, you can put this on your resume.
Official videographer.
Deep breath right here. Oh yeah. Good. Right here. Let's go over. Good.
Ooh.
Good. Go ahead and lay on your back for me.
So if I see you in person, not in here, I'm not messing with you because you'll break me. Not messing with the neck.
Say hi.
So you did it weightlifting, shoulder shrugs?
Probably
When you
just
feel it
from,
the
you know, when you're dropping the weight, instead of like controlling it all the way at the bottom, just letting it go.
most? Cross this foot over your other foot. Cross this foot over the other foot. And cross your legs. I want that.
What?
I said I want that. I want that adjustment.
Oh yeah.
Let me help you out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait. Okay, so scoot forward until your feet are flat.
I got my shoes this time so I don't slip.
There you go. Go like this for me. Okay. Yeah, and that side's a little lower than the other side. All right. So tuck your elbow in when you go like this. Any discomfort there?
No.
When you go like this, any discomfort there? No.
It's literally, it's this.
Just this.
Yeah,
Okay.
doing any, like
So
this,
I
I
think-
feel it.
I think it's your
Right there.
acromioclavicular
Right
joint.
there.
Yeah, that's your AC joint. So here, give me this arm. Relax. Drop it completely. Let it drop completely. There we go. You feel that moving right already?
A little bit.
All right, now put your arms out front. That's a lot better. So what you have a tendency of doing too, this shoulder is really much higher than the other shoulder.
Yeah.
So you're doing probably a lot of dexterity stuff on the right and a lot of heavy lifting on the left when you do work stuff. So are you right-handed?
Yeah, right-handed.
Okay, so you're probably doing a lot of stuff that requires like fine work and then carrying a lot on the right.
The other one, yeah.
Mm-hmm, because I can see that imbalance there. So what I would actually do,
I don't know how that is. I barely use this arm.
sit up
Like,
straight.
even when I'm at work, like it's useless.
Okay, so what I would also do, sit up straight, drop that shoulder. I would also work on rhomboids and middle traps and lower traps to try to bring that shoulder back. Okay, so you want that to grab the thorax more, versus our dominant side will be that scapula, that shoulder blade will be more on your body, versus the side that's non-dominant will go up high and roll forward. Here, put that hand on your hip like this for me, this way. There you go. Drop that shoulder. Good, look straight ahead. Push that elbow back towards my hand. Push, there you go, good.
Ooh, the mini pop.
Yep, let me see one. Good, perfect.
Yeah, no, I felt this like 3-4 weeks ago. I was like, I should probably go in, but then I saw a bank account and I was like, we're gonna wait a little bit. But yeah, definitely I was feeling that. But
good, hopefully that feels a little bit better. It looks a little better too.
Oh yeah, definitely feel, just after the pop, I got
Good.
that. Camera lady.
I was trying to give you a spotlight there.
Appreciate it.
All right.
So what's the damage? What's the damage?
For you today, 45.
Oh geez, 45? I'm going broke. So guys, I was telling you about my shoulder and how it was hurting a lot more. After she went in, I put this position and then she popped it while I was pushing backwards. Oh my gosh, it feels 10 times better. Like it's automatically 10 times better. Like I just feel mobile again, feels awesome. So check her out, she's awesome. Brittany's awesome, great people, great service. You'll like it, so go check them out. Family Chiropractor, Florida, Port Charlotte. If you're in the area, great people. All right, stay fit, fam.